here we go, a brand new brew system. Obviously it's a Grainfather, and what I'm doing here is just doing some experimenting with my chiller. So water's currently boiling and I'm recirculating up through here, and this is basically what I'm planning to do with my when I go to chill. Just try and get an angle there that's not going to sting the camera. So I'm recirculating through and down, and that pipe is just on my chiller, so I'm going to be pumping the whole time. I'm pumping across the chiller with the cold water going through. So I'm not going to do a full test tonight because I can't be bothered filling it up to 25 litres of water. It's really just to see if it would work and if the chiller would fit in there. So I've been cooling for 45 seconds, and that first initial cooling happened so quick that by the time I got in here with my camera it had dropped 10 degrees in 30 seconds. So as you can see it's recirculating, as I said, straight back onto the chiller, which is cooling. So I would say at that cooling rate that's a success, and just proves my theory that recirculating with an immersion chiller in there is going to cool much quicker than the counterflow chiller. So we've almost dropped 20 degrees and it's been 90 seconds. So 90 seconds now, bang on 20 degrees really. So I'm going to call that a success. Next modification might be a bit of silicone that actually goes down the tube and forms a bend around the first bit of the chiller to get a whirlpool going. So this is real time, as you can see, chilling just below. It says 20, but I got the chiller in there, and when I looked I think it was about 15, 16, maybe 17 litres. I should have looked properly. So yeah, all in all a success. Report back on brew day. Cheers. Now I'm trying to do this one-handed and the light's not very good, but you can see I'm experimenting by twisting just pointing the hose even so slightly. And you can see, well, the bubbles on top, there's quite a decent whirlpool going on there. So I think I'm not even ever going to use the counterflow chiller. It's been, so we're down to 38 degrees and it hasn't even been 4 minutes yet, so I'm quite confident I can get this chilled in under 10 minutes. Chilled and whirlpooled, and then I can just turn this off, point around to the fermenter, and away she goes. 36 degrees, the slowest. The last 20 degrees is always the slowest. As I said, very successful experiment. So we're down to 22 degrees, and I started my watch at 24 hours reverse countdown G-Shock down to 21. So 9 minutes to get down basically to pitching temperature, less than 9 minutes. One thing that I didn't account for in my 10-minute cooling time was the fact that it was only at 75 degrees, so maybe 15 minutes at most. So all in all still successful, so pretty happy. Should be able to get a really good whirlpool down there because the bottom's flat and there's no elements in there. "20 minutes easily, just after 20 degrees easily in 9 minutes.